Oh, sorry. Excuse me. So, we are going to paint the mirrors and my headlights. So, what I'm going to do today, and real quick, is I'm just going to show you and take these out. We're going to have Steve paint these, go paint them professionally, black. So the ambers will be not there anymore. Well, they'll be there, but just painted right here and right here. So it'll look sweet. It'll look a lot better. The reason why I don't go and buy some eBay ones is because the reflectors are really bad, and I definitely don't want to do that. And everyone's gonna say, "Oh, just retrofit them." I'm like, you know, whatever. I might maybe later, but not now. So yeah, that's that. Now we're gonna take the mirrors out and we're gonna have these painted. And same thing, people are gonna be like, "Oh, get the Boost Auto Parts mirrors, blah blah blah." I'm like, yeah, but where I kind of have a plan and what I want to do, these will just do just fine for now. Maybe later on I will, but for now I just want to get these painted, and it's gonna save me $300 at least from buying the Boost. I can just do that, and then we'll get these installed. But let's take the door apart. Okay, so first things first, you take off this little triangle piece, which is super easy. You just pull on it, it'll come out. And then I think you got 10mm nuts to take off right there. But we also take the door panel off because the harness goes in here, which kind of sucks. But we'll get it all handled. Well, then you gotta take off this piece. You gotta screw, looks like a little bolt right there. I gotta pop that out to get another bolt, and then you gotta pull that out, and then the door panel should lift off. So we'll skip past this because I already showed you my video about the door handles, so it's not that bad at all. So,
and 3 weeks later.
All right, you guys, so it's been a week now. I finally got them back, and they are beautiful, they are amazing, and my headlights look awesome too. So we got the amber gone on both the bumper and the headlights. There's the other mirror. The other ones are right there, but let's put them back in and see how they look on the truck. Looks so good. I'm so excited. Well, there she is, you guys. There's just one side on. Don't mind the mirror, it's dirty obviously because I've been touching it, but that's what it looks like. I made sure everything worked. Door panel's back on. I need to do the other side now, but that's basically it. It's super nice. Everything's clean. It looks awesome. But I'm just excited because then I'll get the headlights on and the other side. So I'm gonna put my headlights in, switch my truck around so I'm not doing it in the winter time. I mean, not in the winter time, just out in the snow. Let's get this installed. Okay, everyone, we got everything back from Steve. As you saw in the last video, it looked awesome. But this is actually daytime now, and it looks amazing. I would definitely recommend getting this done versus going like eBay or Amazon, because you're gonna get the reflector, the OEM reflector, which is like way better than anything Amazon or eBay can do. OEM's always the best to go with, just because the build and then they don't leak and fog up. But I got these all cleared. They look freaking clean. Everything's underneath the clear coat, so you don't need anything to worry about, like nightshade, blah blah. They look brand new. So there's that, and then you get to the mirrors, and it sucks. They're dirty. It's a white truck. Nothing you can do about it, especially in the winter time. But they turn out awesome. So, and just like I did, and what I learned when I worked at Smith Chevy, it's that you can't really take these apart, really. Well, you can, but with this one, in order to get this one off, you have to freaking break it. And there's a Phillips head behind this thing, and so unless you really want him to go way professional, he's gonna have to break that part, and you have to buy a new one, blah blah. But he did great. He obviously masked it off and just painted as far as you can get in, but it turned out awesome, way better than I thought it would. Truck looks amazing. So but it makes it look like a freaking brand new truck, especially with the ambers off. Like, you can see that. It looks amazing. But there is the whole front again. And everything just looks so clean. It looks amazing. Everything's turned out the way I want it to go. And I just can't. I love it. It's exactly where I wanted it to be. I just wish it was sooner. But yeah, I mean, here's a whole walk around the whole truck again. But let's see if I can get a better view. But all the mods and everything, and it looks just so much better. And don't mind that thing. I just kind of want to see a little further out, just in case someone does hit me. Somebody did hit me. Kind of sucks, but I mean, it's turning out exactly the way I want it to go. And now I should get rid of these, and then it'd be totally 100% different. Like I said, like, share, do whatever you want to do. Comment, tell me what else you want me to do. I'm thinking about, I really want to get this fixed. It sucks. That's before I had the trucks. The guy who owned it before me hit it. It's right there. That's the only thing on the truck that bothers me the most, is that. But one day I'll get it fixed. But what I want to do is just get like a little band-aid sticker. So if you see that, that's why. But it looks amazing. Also, to top it off too, is when you look inside, you can see that triple gauge pod pillar, if you can. Oh man, ugh, just can't get over it. It looks amazing. Yep, more now. We're gonna start working on the interior. So, like, share, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.